Hello everyone. Today, God graces us with rain for our garden. We then learned and realizes that if we commit our desires to Him and just trust Him with all our hearts, He is much willing to guide us and even always ready to grant our prayers. I believe that all farmers and gardeners really knows how important the rain is. As beginners, we really ask God to pour out the rain. See, we can cultivate, clean, plant, but without rain, all our efforts will be useless. Same with us humans. We can use all our abilities to make our life, but there is one reality that we cannot deny. That is, without the gift of breath from above, we will not have the chance to enjoy our abilities, talents, and life. It shows that there are certain times and things that is out of our control, and it's only Him, our loving Father in heaven, is in control, and He wants us to trust Him, submit to Him, for us to have a path straight. May the Lord bless you and keep you always.